Hi guys, this is Miss Indy here. Welcome to another tutorial of D.I.Y. We're going to do Bingo, Jungle Edition. So throw out those numbers and bring on the jungle animals. To get started, you will need pencils, ruler, markers, scissors, and white paper. And you can use a little something fancy for decoration. Start by turning your paper horizontal. Grab your ruler and the marker of your choice and make a line that's 7 inches long and another line that's 6 inches wide at the bottom. You will be drawing a square. As you create your bingo card, make sure to draw 6 horizontal lines inside the bingo box and 4 vertical lines inside the bingo box. This will help you create 25 small boxes. That should resemble a grid. Make sure there's enough space to write down your possible answers. This is what my very own bingo card looks like. I'm using animals from the jungle as my possible answers. And don't forget to create your free space. That's very important when creating your bingo card. Remember, you can use any color marker you want or fancy sparkly pen. It doesn't matter the color as long as it's legible. Inside the boxes, I started to count and I made sure. Remember, make sure to write that free space. That's going to help. And I wrote bingo at the top, too. Now here comes the fun part. Grab your scissors and start cutting out along the edge. You won't have much to cut, but this part is pretty fun. I like it a lot. Once you're done cutting all that out, make sure you actually cut with an adult present. If you need help, ask an adult. Never throw your scissors and never run with your scissors. And always, if you're handing someone scissors, carry the blade in your hand and give them the handle first. That's safety. Now, I'm going to be writing all the names of the jungle animals. I started with the most popular animals as that will just be a little bit easier than naming specific animals, but I also did that too. Look how nice my card looks. I put pineapples because pineapples also grow inside the jungle. All types of fruits, even avocados. This is my bingo card. You can see some of the names. I have flowers, snakes, elephants, spider monkeys, gorillas. I also have lemurs and sloths. Oh, look at that guy. That guy is called a capybara. This is found in South America and can grow up to 2 feet tall. It's a part of the rodent family. Man, I would run if I saw that thing coming. That's huge. So here are the rules to bingo. Absolutely no cheating, guys. No cheating. You must get 5 jungle animals in a row. That's 5 up and down, which is vertical, or 5 from left to right, which is horizontal, or 5 diagonally. Either or will do. Once you get 5, you may yell bingo to the top of your lungs, but just don't wake your sleeping neighbors up. So who invented bingo anyway? Well, there's a gentleman by the name of Carl Leffler, a mathematics professor, who worked along with Mr. Edwin S. Lowe, a New York City toy salesman, to invent 6,000 combinations of bingo cards. Bingo was first used by the Germans in the 1800s as a way to help students learn math, specifically multiplication. In the UK, some people call it housey. Roughly $90 million is spent on bingo cards a week. Oh my. So how do you get bingo? Somebody has to call out the answers or possible answers randomly. And you just either put a dot or X to mark the spot in which the item or jungle animal was called. Well, guys, thanks for watching. This is Miss India. Take care. Thanks for stopping by and enjoy.